Next, classes. Fishes contain two classes, Chondrichthyes, Osteichthyes. Chondro means cartilage. Osteo means bone. This includes cartilaginous fishes. Cartilaginous fishes, these are bony fishes. Osteo means bony. Chondro means cartilage. These are cartilaginous fishes. These are bony fishes. Habitat. These are marine organisms. Marine organisms. Osteichthyes. These are freshwater, marine water and brackish water. Freshwater, marine water and brackish water. Brackish water. Caudal fin. This is caudal fin. Caudal fin is heterocercal. Caudal fin is heterocercal. In Osteichthyes fishes, caudal fin is homocercal. This is homocercal. Homocercal tail. Diffy-circle tail present in dipnoi fishes. Diffy-circle tail present in the dipnoi fishes. Heterocercal means both ends are asymmetrical. In homocercal means externally both lobes are symmetrical but internally asymmetrical. In diffy-circle both external and internal are symmetrical. Diffy-circle tail present in the dipnoi fishes. Next, scales. Scales are placoid scales. Scales are placoid scales. Skin is thin. Skin is thick and strong. Strong skin. Skin is covered by placoid scales. In Osteichthyes, skin is covered by cosmoid, gonoid, ctenoid, cycloid. In Osteichthyes, scales are cosmoid, gonoid, cycloid or ctenoid. In cartilaginous fishes, only placoid scales are present. Endoskeleton. Endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. In bony fishes, endoskeleton is bony. Mouth. In cartilaginous fishes, in Chondrichthyes fishes, mouth is present on the ventral region. Mouth is present in the ventral region. Example, shark. Shark mouth is present in the ventral region. This is mouth. Ventral region. In bony fishes, Osteichthyes, mouth present in the terminal region. This is mouth. Mouth is present in the terminal region of the body. Terminal region. Next, teeth. Teeth are modified. Placoid scales are modified to form teeth. Teeth are formed by modification of placoid scales. In Chondrichthyes fishes, teeth are formed by the modification of placoid scales. Placoid scales modified to form teeth. Next, in these organisms, teeth also discuss. Teeth are normally formed bony bones. Teeth are backwardly direction. Both organisms, teeth are present backwardly direction. This is lower jaw. This is upper jaw. Teeth in sharks, teeth are formed backwardly directed. Backwardly directed because this predates live organisms. This predates live organisms. So backwardly directed teeth, ఒకసారి బ్యాక్వర్డ్ గా ఉంటే టీత్ ఏమవుతుందన్న లైవ్ కండిషన్ లో ఉన్న దాన్ని పట్టుకుంటుంది కాబట్టి లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు ఈజీగా ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వకుండా, అంటే ప్రిడేటర్ ప్రే ఈజీగా ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండడానికి ఏంటంటే బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉంటాయి. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆర్గానిజం ముందుకు మూవ్ అవుదాం చూస్తుందో ప్రే, వెంటనే ఈ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్ట్ టీత్ ఏమవుతుందంటే దానిలోకి ఇలా పెనిట్రేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంటాయి లోపలికి. దీనివల్ల ఏమవుతుంటే ప్రే ఈజీగా ఎస్కేప్ అవ్వలేదు. అందుకే టీత్ ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్టెడ్ టీత్ ఉంటాయి వీటిలో. నెక్స్ట్ గిల్స్. గిల్స్ ఆర్ lamelliform. Lamelliform gills present in the Chondrichthyes fishes. In Osteichthyes fishes, filamentous gills. Filamentous gills. It means lamelliform means leaf-like gills. Filamentous gills means filaments, thread-like gills. Operculum. Operculum means gill covering. Gill covering bony part. Gills are covered by operculum. మనం చూస్తే కనుక ఒకసారి గిల్స్ ని లోపల ఉన్న గిల్స్ ని ఇలా చూస్తే పైన operculum ఒకటి ఉంటుంది కవర్ చేస్తూ ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తూ. Operculum is absent in Chondrichthyes fishes. Operculum present. This is operculum. Operculum present in Osteichthyes fishes. Next, air bladder. Air bladder is absent. Air bladder is absent in Chondrichthyes fishes. Air bladder is present in bony fishes. Air bladder helps for the buoyancy, maintain the buoyancy. It helps for the avoid sinking of the organism. But in Chondrichthyes fishes, this is absent. Air bladder is absent. So, these organisms continuously swimming to avoid of the sinking. So, these organisms energy is more utilized in Chondrichthyes fishes because of the continuously swimming. So, these are more predaceous organisms. Chondrichthyes fishes are more predaceous, more predators. Predaceous means predator. These are more predator organisms because these are more continuously swimming. Continuously swimming because air bladder is absent in Chondrichthyes fishes. Air bladder is present. Air bladder is present in Osteichthyes fishes. Excretory product. Excretory product in Chondrichthyes fishes is urea. Urea. In Osteichthyes fishes, the excretory product is ammonia. Ammonia. Next, another point is gills. Gills are 5 to 7 pairs. 5 to 7 pairs. In the Osteichthyes, 4 pairs of gills. 4 pairs of gills are present. Next, clasper. In male Chondrichthyes fishes, clasper is present. male chondrichthyes. Male chondrichthyes fishes, clasper is present. Clasper is formed by the pelvic fins. Some part of the pelvic fin is modified to form clasper. Clasper helps for the penetration or passage of sperms into the female reproductive tract or female cloaca. Clasper is absent in Ostrictis. Clasper is absent in Ostrictis. Next, fertilization. Fertilization is internal because of the presence of clasper. Fertilization is generally external fertilization. Development. Most of the organisms are viviparous organisms. Release young ones, directly young ones. Most of the organisms are oviparous organisms. Another important point is, in chondrichthyes species, notochord is persist throughout life. Notochord is persist throughout life in chondrichthyes. Examples of chondrichthyes: Scoliodon commonly called dogfish. Pristis, sawfish. This is sawfish. Pristis, sawfish. Carcharodon, great white shark. Next, trigon, stinging ray. Trigon also called stinging ray. Next, torpedo, electric ray. Sperma, hammerhead fish. Trigon contain stinging ray. Torpedo, important. Trigon also called stinging ray. It contains stinging spicule. Stinging. That's sting. Next, torpedo, electric ray. Dorsal muscles. Some of the dorsal muscles modified to electric organ. This produce electricity. Electric organ. Sperma is called hammerhead. Next, Ostrictis. Examples of Ostrictis: Cutla also called Cutla. Next, Labio commonly called Rohu. Next, Hippocampus, seahorse. In males, male hippocampus contain brood pouch. Important. Hippocampus is commonly called seahorse. It contains brood pouch. Male hippocampus contain brood pouch. Males shows parental care. Next, Clarius means magur. Clarius commonly called magur. Echinus is a sucker fish. Next, Exocetus means flying fish. Exocetus commonly called flying fish. The common name of Exocetus is flying fish. Betta, fighting fish. Betta is a fighting fish. Next, Pterophyllum, angelfish. Pterophyllum commonly called angelfish. These two are aquarium fishes. Pterophyllum, Betta. These are aquarium fishes. Next, Gambusia. Gambusia is a biological control Gambusia helps for the biological control of mosquitoes. This feeds mosquito larvae. Gambusia feeds mosquito larvae. So, Gambusia helps for the biological control of the mosquitoes. Next, Chimera. Chimera. Chimera is commonly called ghost fish. Ghost fish. This is connecting link between Chondrichthyes and Ostrichthyes because it contains both Chondrichthyes and Ostrichthyes characters. So, these are connecting link between Chondrichthyes and Ostrichthyes. Chimera is commonly called ghost fish. These are the characters of examples of fishes.